Hey folks, and welcome to Flotilla Update number 30 with Phil and Paul. We're going to look today at the robot chassis a bit and show you that in action with Rockpool a little bit on the browser on a Raspberry Pi 2, just to give you an idea of how it works and how to set up a simple project like that. So without further ado, Phil, bring on the robot.
Dun, dun, dun. Ta-da.
Awesome.
I've trashed all your modules.
Yeah. I spent hours setting those up. Dude.
Oh.
Now you're just being an ass. Yes, I love you, robot. I was calling Phil an ass.
Okay.
So there's the robot. It's very simple. If we take a look at the close-up, we have two Flotilla motor modules, the dock velcroed on top, and we have a couple of colour sensors on there. We're not going to show you the colour sensors following a line today because we've run out of time. So instead, what Phil has is...
Basically, I'm going to show you how the Rockpool rules come together to drive two motors with your keyboard. So if we switch over to Rockpool, let's have a look at what's going on. Okay, so here we've got just 4 rules that are giving us full robot control with the keyboard. This gives us forward, reverse, and left and right turning. And this is accomplished just through these 4 rules, which are piping the input from the keyboard through to the motor. Every Rockpool rule consists of an input, 1 to 3 converters, and an output. So in this case we've used our input, which is up direction on the keyboard, and we've mapped it to the output, which is forward. So let's have a look at a very simple rule down here. So this is the backwards direction. We've taken down direction on the keyboard and we've mapped it to backwards on the motor. So when you press down on the keyboard, it gives you full 100% and drives you back. It's driving upside down. Excellent. Full 100% and drives backwards. When you press forwards, it gives you full 100% and drives forwards.
And then we've got all the motors driving forwards.
Yeah! In order to turn left and right, we've got to get a converter involved. So to get a robot to turn left, what we're going to do is take the up direction and then we're going to mix it with the left direction, and then we're going to pipe it into the right motor. So we know that this motor, motor number 2, which is on channel 2 on the dock, is our rightmost motor. And by mixing left with up, when we press left, it will drive the right motor forwards, which will cause it to turn left, of course.
Aye.
And drive away. When we turn right, so we've got a similar set of rules down here. It will drive the right motor forwards, which will turn us left.
And off it goes.
Turns right, sorry. When I press right, it will drive the left motor forwards, which will turn us right.
Yay! Perfect. So there's some very simple rules running on the Pi through Rockpool, driving the robot. And just so you can see the strength of the motor here, I'm just going to try and hold that back. So there, that's using, we've actually got the Pi running in high current mode here on the USB port, so that it can drive up to what? 1.2 amps?
1.2 amps, yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty strong, you know. I'm pushing full whack there, and it's not resetting the dark, it's not doing anything nasty there. The Pi's happy. Flotilla's kind of happy, even though it's kind of pushing those motors pretty hard.
Yeah,
so
you're going to break the motors long before anything. Whoa.
Yep, there we go. Purpley turtles. We should get like a pen on the front of this and stuff.
Oh yeah.
That's cool. So there you go. Robot chassis with wheels. There's a few more tweaks to do on there, but basically it's working, it's cool, and that's going to be one of your major recipes in the Mega Treasure Chest. We've also got these motor shafts, which we're going to kind of put on the Pimoroni shop as well, so people can start playing with those pretty soon. They turn Metal Gear motors into the Flotilla shaft. And that's about... Oh yeah, we've got the rainbow modules for production. So that's another module kind of in the house, ready to go. Yeah, everything's still progressing forwards. And yeah, we're waiting for a respin of the dock, I think, is the only thing kind of holding us up from really kind of starting delivering a few printed pieces and a new dock. Then we can start shipping the smaller kits. So we've got that to look forward to. Anyway, Flotilla Update 30. Any questions, let us know kind of below in the comments, either here or on the YouTubes.
And don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.
Yes.